वेल वेलकम बैक। बिग बिज चल रहा है where we say let's talk business। आज हमारे पहले घंटे में we have Dr. Deepak Dubey, who is a medical expert related to metabolic ailments or issues when it comes to hypertension, diabetes। डॉक्टर दीपक, आपसे हम पूछना चाहेंगे हाइपरटेंशन की अगर बात की जाए। मुझे कभी कभी टेंशन भी होती है और मैं हाइपर भी हो जाता हूँ, बट व्हाट इज हाइपरटेंशन? आई मीन इफ यू कुड ब्रेक दैट डाउन।
If you check the blood pressure of a common person, like a person who is not having a high blood pressure, it should be around 120 over 80. That means the systolic blood pressure should not be more than 120, and the diastolic, which is the lower one, should not be more than 80.
Right.
Now, because of the lifestyle changes and the kind of food we eat, lack of exercise, sedentary lifestyle, lot of stress, family-related stress, and work-related stress, so many things are happening in our body which we don't see. If you look at the kind of lifestyle we are living, like 200 years back, when people used to go on foot and maybe a bicycle to their work, or they were having a lifestyle which made them work,
Correct.
expend their energy, and so with the modernization, these things have changed. We are sitting in our office, we are taking
सेडेंट्री
our car,
लाइफस्टाइल है अपनी।
sedentary lifestyle. So this definitely is going to make changes in our body, and it's going to manifest in some way or the other. So these are the kind of manifestations we are seeing, like blood pressure, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart diseases, atherosclerosis, hyperuricemia, uric acid levels become more, the livers get fatty, like the fatty liver disease. All these are like metabolic disorders because of our sedentary lifestyle, change in the kind of life which probably God made us to live, but we are not living that way.
So what's the advice
So
that you'd want to give people out there to, curb this or reduce these kind of ailments?
no, we have to live in our modern life, but at least we should take care of our food habits. We shouldn't be going and eating a lot of junk food and oily food and a lot of meat. And every day you should exercise and meditate, so that at least you can bring down a little bit of stress and whatever ill effects we are getting because of the bad diet, at least we release it through our exercise and keep our body fit. That is one way.
Right.
But when it comes to, we'll talk about hypertension and diabetes, like how it should be diagnosed and how like you should treat it.
We're going to be talking
We
about
want
hypertension and diabetes in the coming segment. तब तक के लिए सनी और डॉक्टर दीपक दुबे के साथ बने रहिए right here on Big Biz, where we say let's talk business. Well, as you know, Big Biz चल रहा है where we talk about a leading expert coming in every single day and joining me on between 11 to 1, where सनी और शास्त्र आपके साथ आ जाते हैं। और आज हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर दीपक दुबे। आज का सुबह का स्पेशल टॉपिक ऑन द न्यूज़पेपर वाज COVID-19 and influenza. Both have similar manifestations. We had an expert, Dr. Deepak Dubey, who also told us what you should and should not do around that. But right now we're going to be talking about diabetes and hypertension. डॉक्टर दीपक, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे इन दोनों के बारे में?
Yes, diabetes, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, hyperuric acid or hyperuricemia, fatty liver diseases, obesity, these are all metabolic disorders. What we commonly see is diabetes and hypertension. Now, if you look at the normal blood pressure of a person should be around 120 over 80.
Right.
So now they have divided it into various stages like borderline hypertension and stage 1, 2, and 3. So if basically when you're like maybe after the age of 30, you should keep checking your blood pressure at least once in a year.
Right.
And if you have a strong family history of hypertension, anybody of your relatives or parents have hypertension, then you have a high chances of developing hypertension too.
Okay.
So if it's like between 130 to 139, and the lower one is like 80 to 89, you can call it borderline hypertension.
Okay. ठीक है.
If you go to the doctor and he finds this much, on the first reading you never start the treatment.
Okay.
You have to monitor and then you see whether it's like because of anxiety or just the BP is high.
Right.
Then suppose the patient comes and if the blood pressure is around 140 to 159, the upper limit, that's the systolic, and 90 to 99 is the lower limit, that's the diastolic.
Right.
Then you call it a stage 1 hypertension.
Right. Okay.
Now, when you see a stage 1 hypertension, you diagnose it, you have to first change your lifestyle. Lifestyle modification is very important in all the stages. And then you have to add some medicines also, because hypertension is a silent disease. It's not going to produce any symptoms, like not always, unless the BP is too high.
Right.
And so the silent disease, you have to just monitor the BP, and if it is, you found it to be high, then you start the medicine.
Okay.
And likewise, it goes to stage 2, like the upper limit is like 160 to 179, and the lower limit is 100 to 109. And if this is the status, then you can have 2 medicines, lifestyle modification, and 2 medicines, and keep monitoring the BP,
Okay.
blood pressure. And there are like various types of BP medicines available. The doctor is the best. When you go visit him, he will do your kidney test and other things, and then decide which one
Okay.
is best for you.
पर डॉक्टर मैंने ये भी देखा है कि लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस के साथ ये सारे एलिमेंट्स को कर्ब किया जाता है, इनफैक्ट मिनिमाइज और रिड्यूस और एंड भी किया जा सकता है, करेक्ट?
Of course, see, if the BP is just borderline, as
Okay.
I told you, or stage 1, that kind of hypertension can be controlled with lifestyle modification, loss of weight, like you have to reduce your salt intake, you have to exercise regularly, you have to lose weight.
Right.
Now, surprisingly, both these hypertension and diabetes, when it's seen more commonly in obese patients, those who are fat, to check the BMI. So, when there is a morbid obesity, and the obesity is so high that you are not able to do your routine work,
Right.
these patients usually have the blood pressure and diabetes both. And it is seen that those patients who lose their weight by either exercise, diet, or through some surgery. I'm not recommending surgery, but if they undergo this kind of a surgery, like bariatric surgery,
Right.
their weight reduction is very drastic. And we have seen that the diabetes also disappears, and the blood pressure, which was there before, it also disappears.
Fantastic.
So it's like related to the obesity and the kind of lifestyle only.
तो बताइए डॉक्टर, if for example, if someone has been facing these kind of ailments or symptoms, how can one get in touch with you?
Yeah, I'm working at the International Modern Hospital.
Okay.
And as an internal medicine specialist, they can call me, they can contact me, they can contact the hospital,
Okay.
they can get the phone number from you. Maybe I am ready to help and discuss any problem at any time.
So can you please share the number?
My number is 050
050
366
366
2547.
2547. We're talking to Dr. Deepak Dubey, who has been practicing medicine for a very long time, and he actually helped us bust concerns related to diabetes, hypertension, or any metabolic related issues. Thank you so much, doctor, for joining us today, and we look forward to continuously being in touch with you so that we can actually, help people resolve these ailments.
Definitely.
Thank
I'll
you.
be more than glad to help you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.